Hello, I'm audible.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. So this is the official website of the BootStrap. So if you want to go the BootStrap installation via NPM, so NPM stands for Node Packet Manager. So I will tell you this one not now, later. So before how you are configure with the BootStrap, first you can understand. So how you can understand, so how you can download it. So let me go here. So this is the official website of the BootStrap. So let me come with the docs, and here you can see quick start BootStrap demo, and here okay. So this is the thing is, so this is the way the folder structure. So that I will okay. So if you want to go with see with the mobile devices, if you want to get the proper responsive behavior, so you can use this kind of syntax. So meta tags equal to UTF-8 and meta name equal to viewport, content equal to width. So device width and initial scale -1, and you are giving some title. And this is the actually thing if you want to get the responsiveness of the page. So see the same way here we are getting. Okay. And next the another thing is, next. So the another thing is, so once you can, so how you can configure the Bootstrap. So include Bootstrap CSS and JS file using place link tag and head link tag in the head for our CSS, and the script tag for our JavaScript bundle. You can keep it. So this is the what they are saying. To copy the CSS file, this is the way. So just copy this CSS and keep it inside the head tag, and you can go here, and to keep that HTML, I mean JavaScript file, copy, keep it inside the body tag. Okay, so what files you are copying here? For the bootstrap min.css file and the bootstrap min.js file, JS file. So okay, so this is for CSS means cascading style sheet, and this is for JS. Okay, so now let me getting some content. So h1 tag I'm using, h1. So bootstrap header. So first let me create the nav bar first. So what is the nav bar here? So if you want to define the HTML page, so let me open with terminal, and with terminal. Here I am giving live server configuration. Okay, so live hyphen server hyphen port equal to 0. So you can give any number. What happened? Live server is not recognizing. No? Live space server. Okay. Live hyphen server space hyphen port equal to 899. No hyphen version. No version. Yeah, it was there. What happened? Oh, error. Live. Yes, hyphen port equal to 899. Something, yeah. What happened? Live server. Yeah. Okay. So this is my empty bootstrap document. Okay. So let me open here and come here. Here you can change. Bootstrap. Okay. So once I can save, automatically it will be refreshed. So you're not required to restart again. Okay. So let me with first. So Bootstrap header. So how you can display the header? So Bootstrap header. So let me go with here, official website. And here, if you want to configuring these two things is mandatory to required. Okay. So what type of configuration I'm giving? So HTTPS colon slash CDN, HTTPS colon slash. So what is meaning of this one? So this is whenever you are using the online, I mean your system is connected via network only, this link will be supported. Okay. So this is the CSS file. This is the CSS file. Okay. So this is the CSS file. And they are sending JavaScript now. Oh. Copy this. So this is my JavaScript file. So how I can say this is the JavaScript file JS extension. Here CSS extension. CSS means cascading style sheet. So JS means JavaScript. Okay. So how you can apply the styles? So before you want to executing the Bootstrap things, first you can configure with CSS file inside the hashtag, and the script file you can keep it inside the body tag. So let me apply first one. So we need some header. Okay, so we need some beautiful header. So how you can say, so in this site you can come here, you can see the components. You can see the components. So what are the components we are having? Here component. So accordion, alerts, badge, and breadcrumb and button group, card, carousel, close buttons. So nav bar, nav steps. So everything is there. So there's a lot of components is there. So first, let me go with the nav bar. Nav bar. Click it. How it works. See here. So this nav bar, if you want to need this kind of beautiful nav bar. Okay. So what can I do? Just copy the clip it content and come here. I'm just keep it here. Just go here. That's all. So how much fast you can develop, right? So if you want to write this code in CSS file, how much lines is required? Okay. So that is the advantage of if you are using the Bootstrap. So everything is a predefined. You just configure it in your application. Okay. So now let me make it for our first. So this is, I'm just telling you how you can use that existing components in your HTML page. Okay. So let me remove it first. So I want to create one nav bar. So how I can create the nav bar? Create the nav bar. So how you can create the nav bar? So first we have tag called nav. Close the nav tag. So here you can use class. So nav bar is another child component. So okay, now. So let me see what will happen. Now I can write. Okay, so nothing is there. So let me take it one container. Okay, so in this container, I am taking H3 Bootstrap header. Bootstrap header. Okay, so you can see alignment is coming automatically here now. So what is the difference between, see, here I am not writing any margin and padding. So it is coming starting of the web page. So here, whenever I'm applying the container tag, it is giving some space automatically. Okay, so that is the use of container. Okay, so I want to make it some background color. So BG dark, see now, automatically apply. I want to apply text white. Okay, automatically apply. And next I want to see now now bar and now bar expand. So because if you can configure with the files, it's very easy for you. You can get it everything. Now bar, put here and okay. Or we'll do one thing. We have already these two files now. So let me copy this and come here. First create the directory JS. So in this JS, paste it. In this JS. So copy this whole content and that is not a best way. Okay, we'll do one thing because I don't go for directly with online configuration. All you guys getting confusion. So let me remove it. These things and all. Okay, so go to the official web page website, and here you can see download. Come here. So compiled CSS and GS files. Let me click download. So BootStrap beta 5.2.0 beta 1 I downloaded. Let me go with copy this one, copy, and go here and extract here. Okay, so extract station is done. Let's come here. So it's came. Okay, so here you can configure CSS file. So how you can configure the CSS files? What is the CSS file is required? So inside this href, inside this href, bootstrap mean dot css. Okay, so let me come here. Just click it. Here is the dot slash bootstrap disk dash and css class and bootstrap mean dot js. Bootstrap. Mean.css, right? Okay, so it's done. Next, we want to configure with this one. Which one? JavaScript file. So to configure this one, first dot slash paste slash js class. So mean.js. So these two files were configured. So now it's time to create the navbar. So for checking purpose, whether it's applied or not, So what I'm doing, I'm just create a button. I'm just create a button. Click me. So here I can apply. Class is equal to btn. So see here how the coming btn secondary. So let's come here, check it. All right. Just looks like a normal buttons. Still is not configured. So, yes, between secondary. So still it is getting 404. Let me come back. Yeah. So we are getting 404. Why is there an issue? Let me come. CSS file, bootstrap name, CSS file. Yeah. So what is the problem? Dot slash bootstrap best slash CSS class bootstrap name.css. The correct domain. What is the problem? Okay, let me restart the server once. Here, terminate as. Oh my god, still not apply. I'm getting 404 error. Configure. About pages. CSS or bootstrap CSS. Okay, because I already keep it. So I'm just copy and paste it here. Okay. So here page is this one. Let's open this terminal. So live hyphen server space hyphen port equal to 899. Here let me terminate. Yes. Okay, so here you can apply this one. What is the problem? So okay, let me give the path. Okay, so I'm just sharing these files to you. I can upload these two files. So like this, you can configure this script file here or here. There is no issues on this inside the body tag or inside the head tag. Okay, so is there. So let me remove this one. Here I'm just creating a new file, HTML01 underscore. So first we discuss typography. Okay, So let me create the navbar first. So to create the navbar, this is the way you can create it. So class is equal to navbar. See, it's coming automatically. Navbar expand small or large. I want to expand middle, and here take one container, and here ah refer tag. So here make it the hash. Class is equal to navbar brand. Navbar brand. So here I can give bootstrap typography. Bootstrap typography. So let me see it here. Close it. Come back. Refresh. Oh my god, what happened? Navbar expand small. Maybe it's not coming. Oh, sorry. I did not configure the HTML CSS files now. So let me copy this and come here and make it that's up. See here. So it's here. So bootstrap typography. So come here. I want to make it some background. BZ dark. So let me see. So you need a full. Instead of adding this one BZ dark, you can make it this one. So BZ dark. So these are all predefined classes. See. Okay. So I can give expand small now. So navbar. So if I can remove this, what will happen? See. Okay. So here you can make it text white. So where I can make it, so inside this container, I want to make it text white. So it's not applied. Okay, let me remove this and keep it here. Class is equal to text white. Yes. Okay. And navbar. 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 Make it as this one. Navbar dark, navbar expand. So let me see here. Go here, come to the components, navbar. So for this navbar brand, this one only again. Navbar brand. Okay, so navbar brand. So let me make it text white. So text white. Okay, so this is navbar. So how you can create the navbar? Just simple. So using nav tag. Okay. So nav is the first class. So this is the another class in navbar and bg dark. So this is the way you can create the navbar. And next, how you can apply. So how you can apply the typography. So let me see what is the typography here. Anywhere is there typography? Search it here. See what is the typography here? H1. So how you can make it the typography? So these are the 6 H1 tags. Okay. So 6 H1 tags. See here. 6 H1 tag. 6 H1 tags. Come here. Okay. So here you want to apply the styles. So class is equal to here display 1 and display 2, display 3, display 4, display 5 and display 6. Okay, so these and all 6 tags is there. So let me make it display 1. What will happen? See. Let me make it here. Class called display 2. This is my display 2 and this is my display 3 and this is my display 4 and this is my display 5 and this is my display 6. Display 6. So see the output of the application. See. Okay, so if you can apply H1 with some styles on the H1 tag or H2 tag and whatever you can apply, there is no issue. So you can give it. There is a 6 display tags is available predefined, which is coming from the BootStrap. So you can apply like this. Okay, so display 1, display 2, display 3. Suppose if I want to make the change it some text color. So here you can make it. So see here. Text white center, text muted, text success, text black 50, text body. So there is some classes related to text. Okay. So let me apply text info. What will happen? What is the color you can getting? See, some colors you are getting. So similarly, I can apply text. You want to make it some center. See, it's coming center. Next, you want to apply text success. So text success. So success is coming this color. See some green color coming. Next here text danger. Okay, some red color. Next one is text muted. So I want to make it something muted color. So see how it's displaying. 5. And next another thing is text break. See here. So some color it's coming. So this is for what? To display the H1 content using display tags, and if you want to apply some text style, so whether it may be an something color, some different colors, so you can use this tags. Or otherwise, I want to make it style of the text. So text bold. Bold. FW bold. So font weight bold. See here, bold content. So similarly, you want to make it italic. So FW lighter, normal, font weight normal thing, and next font weight light. Which one this is? display 3 success. So this one. And the next another thing is so FW lighter. So you are getting some light colors. The 4. Okay. And next another one is F3. Sorry, FW wrap reverse. So these are the 6 things. Bolder and make it. And the next another thing is font weight like flex wrap. We'll see what happens. Okay, so this is the way you can apply the different classes in Bootstrap classes. Okay, so Bootstrap classes in HTML attributes. So this is the way. Okay, so first make sure you can create this. You can link up between this CSS file and script file, and you can create a nav bar. Is it required for you? That is your wish. And the next thing is create the H1 files and H2 files. That is your wish. And here, so I want to make it HR tag. So HR is represents for what? Horizontal line. Let me see. So one line is coming. Okay. Suppose I have a paragraph. So paragraph lorem 30 tab. Okay. So what it will coming? It's coming with okay. So it's coming some line, or you can give more than that. So just type it lorem 50 tab. So 50 words is coming. Okay. So for this case, I want to make it some colors. So how I can make it some colors? So class. So first of all, I want to make it background color. So I want to make it a BG color, some background color. So see this one. I want to make it some margin. So M3 margin. Okay. And I want to make it some padding P3 marginal padding. So some space is coming. So I want to make it text color as white. So how I can make it text white? Okay. So I want to make it text white. Okay. So this is the way you can define the paragraphs and also whatever you want, either margin. So M3 stands for margin and P stands for padding. So margin and padding. Suppose if I want to make it one button, so instead of the paragraph, I want to make it one button. So how I can make it the button? Here, continue. So here there is a class is called BTN warning. So let me see what will happen. So one button will be created, but without any styles. So to apply that, BTN hyphen. Oh, sorry, it's a BG warning now. So BTN hyphen BTN danger. So see how the button is looks like. See how the button is looks like. So I want to make it in down in the button. Here I'm just using the tag. Here I'm just using the tag. Okay, so it is coming. You want to make it some space. So here I can give margin top 2. So it's come down. Okay, or you can give more than that. So I can give margin top 5. So let me see. So it's come down. Okay, so you want to make it the continuous 2 buttons on this. Suppose if I want to make it some cards. So how I can make it a cards? So see here. So for this, one more I'm going to create. I want to create a beautiful cards. So 02 cards. Okay. So first let me remove this tablet and come here. Let me copy these two folders in my card section. Cards. So here, cards. Design. Okay. So here, what can I do? I'm just make it to copy this entire nav tags. Copy and paste it. So here I can give designing cards. 3 minutes. Okay, so let me create one container here. Let me take it one div. So here card. Let me see what will happen. Come back. Just refresh. Okay, so to designing the cards, first take it the card, and next here card header. So here I am taking good morning. So let me see. Okay, so how the cards is coming? Are you able to see now the background? So here I can give margin top 3. So some spaces came. Card header, and I want to apply some card body. So here I can make it a p tag, Lauren 20 tag. Okay, so Lauren 20 tag. So some text is coming, and next I want to make it some footer, card footer. Okay, so here I can give something like thank you. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this is the card header, and this is the card body, and this is the card footer. So I want to make it how many cards I want. So let me copy this one. This is the one card. 4 cards. See how many cards I can possible to create. This is card 1, card 2, card 3. So good morning here. Good afternoon. And this is good evening. Okay. So this is the way you can create the cards. So not like that we have many things is there. So it's going to our already 12 is there. So I'm just stop the class so I can upload these videos and all. So please practice it. So we can see one more workshop on next weekend. So we can plan accordingly. Okay. So happy weekend, guys. Thanks for your attending. Thank you so much. So I can share these videos in Drive.